Hello class, I'm your instructor, Dr. Glaspie. Please call me Dr. Glaspie or Professor Glaspie. It's very nice to meet you. I'm primarily a research scientist, and this class is the only class I currently teach. That means I have lots of time to get to know you all, and lots of lab and field experience to share if you're interested in that kind of thing. It also means that part of the time I'm teaching you all, I will also be doing research. Some of the time, I may even be out on a boat doing field work. I'll try to share some fun research updates and videos with you as we go along. I wanted to make a short video to welcome you all to the course and to give you some insight into the course structure. So first off, welcome to OCS 2005, Gulf of Mexico, and OCS 2006, Honors Gulf of Mexico. This class focuses on the natural history of the Gulf of Mexico and its ties to the human history and modern uses of this highly productive coastal sea. This course focuses on the 4 fields of oceanography: geological, chemical, physical, and biological, specifically as they relate to the Gulf of Mexico. Throughout the course, you will relate the natural science of the Gulf to its unique human history and gain an understanding of how the Gulf of Mexico shaped and continues to shape culture in the region and the country. This makes this course different from many other science courses because you will be gaining an understanding of how the science concepts impact the lives of people living near the coast. Although this course is called Gulf of Mexico, and we do focus on that region, you can expect to learn about a variety of other coastal and offshore features around the world, in particular coastal river deltas and estuaries, and compare and contrast the marine environment and processes in other regions to those in the Gulf of Mexico. To learn about the oceanography of the Gulf of Mexico and beyond, you will engage in active learning through activities and interactive lectures. Concepts in oceanography will be related to the human history of the Gulf through readings from secondary literature, in particular the Pulitzer Prize-winning book, The Gulf: The Making of an American Sea. A virtual field trip to the LSU Center for River Studies will provide an understanding of major challenges to the Mississippi River Delta and allow students to address the Gulf's most pressing and enduring issues collaboratively and equitably. Assignments will build your ability to communicate concepts in coastal oceanography to a variety of audiences to increase the accessibility of science. Hopefully that gives you some idea of what to expect as you move through the course material. Welcome aboard. Moving on to the next topic of this video, how does this course work? The core of this course is modules 1 through 6. The course is designed to have one module each week, with all components of the module due on Monday by 11:59 p.m. Each module is composed of 4 to 6 topics. Topics are designed as interactive slideshows, with each slide containing one or more of the following: a lecture video, 1 to 3 per topic, text, or an activity. Complete the content in each topic by navigating along the slides in each interactive slideshow, by using the tabs at the bottom of the slideshow, or the arrow buttons, to proceed to the next or previous slide. To receive points for the topic, you must navigate to the final summary slide after you have completed all content. The summary slide allows you to view the solutions for any activity. Once you click to the summary slide, your scores are recorded and the activities will be available for you to view, but you may not redo the activities. So only click the summary slide once you are finished. For individual activities, scores are only recorded once you click the check button at the bottom of the activity. You may have to scroll down to see it. If you are unhappy with your score on an individual activity question, you may refresh your browser to try again. At the end of the week by 11:59 p.m. Monday, all of the material in each of the topics should be completed. You should also complete a quiz on the content from that module. In addition to topics, you are also assigned chapters to read for each module. By the end of the week, by 11:59 p.m. on Monday, you should complete a quiz on the reading for that week and participate in a reading reflection discussion, all the way at the bottom of the module. You will have an exam at the end of modules 2, 4, and 6, as well as a final exam. Exams 1 through 3 are not cumulative. You're only tested on the content from the previous 2 modules. But the final exam is cumulative. I drop your lowest exam score. Please be sure to record the exam dates in your calendar. As you are completing your modules each week, you will also have deadlines for 2 assignments: the Instagram post and the infographic. The Instagram post will be due by the date of exam 2, and at that time you will begin working on your infographic, which is due on the last day of class before the final exam period. All content to assist you in the completion of these assignments can be found in Module 0. You will have to access Module 0 throughout the course. Module 0 has some topics to work through, due by the end of this course. Your assignments will be completed in stages, some of which will involve peer review. Please be sure to record the due dates for various components of your assignments in your calendar so you don't lose points. Although this course is a 7-week course, you will be expected to do all the work of a traditional semester-long 15-week course. To do well in this class, you should expect to spend 20 to 30 hours each week on course material. If you find yourself spending more than this amount of time on topics or modules, or falling behind the target dates for completion, please let me know and I can help. Also, please don't wait to start on the course material. You have a lot of things due coming up on January 22nd. I look forward to having you all in this course. Please do not hesitate to reach out with questions, and good luck.